the end of the year, mate.
It is, yes.
And no scrap run, guys.
No.
We are sorry, but we did do it a couple of weeks ago.
We did, because we had a clear up in the yard, moved the skip, well, had the skips emptied, we moved them to a better location, and had a tidy up, and it just made sense, didn't it, to run them in then.
And last year we didn't have a skip.
No.
So, the BMW,
Yep.
we are awaiting a company to come back for us on that little solenoid valve. So that I think
Very promising.
very promising, and we're good to go with that.
Yeah.
So bit of a walkthrough here actually. Little Fiat 500 electric, private entry.
Got tucked, didn't we?
We did get tucked, but we are adamant we are going to fix that little car.
Yeah.
So just waiting for a front end to come up worth the money.
I'm all right in saying the front end for this is unique to the full electric.
It is, yeah.
So
Yeah.
not easy to find.
No, but there's a few bits starting to come up now, here and there, and
Yeah,
like I
yeah.
say, that was very, very cheap, that little car, Chris, wasn't
Yeah.
it? The little van, I think, apart from a flat tyre,
Yeah.
it's got a broken mirror, you were saying.
We've got a new mirror to put on it.
Yeah.
Sweet as a nut. Runs sweet as a nut. Proper, I mean, the mileage on that,
60 odd,
yeah. Does need a bit of cleaning up. So I think the best thing for that is to take the front seats out,
Yeah.
and then we can get at it and give it a proper clean and put the seats back in. And it ideally could do with some fresh board in the back,
Nice bit of new balls,
because
yeah.
it is a bit knocked about where it's been the work. But the outside of the van is really straight. So
Set of wheel trims.
yeah, that's a new year.
In the new year, yeah, we're
First
going to
week back, we'll have a day or so on that,
making it mint,
pull that all together.
and then one of you can buy it. The Golf, we have just been down to Reclamet and picked up. It went back there for some paintwork, but nothing to do with what they done.
No.
This car had previously had a bit of paintwork
Yes.
done on it, and we weren't happy with it
No,
once
it
it
didn't
got
match
back.
very well, did it?
No, so that car is completely finished. We had to buy a brand new front radar for it, but got lucky.
Yep, yep.
They are £708 with that, but I kept looking on eBay and I found one brand new in the box.
Yeah.
205, offered 170, and they took it.
Unused from a body shop. wasn't it?
Unused from a body shop. So that car is now completely finished, and that will be available to purchase very, very soon. The Passat,
Yep.
it's got an injector fault, but we're going to come back to that shortly because
Yep.
we're on it today.
Yep.
The Transit I have been using,
Yep.
it's got an absolute monumental list of things wrong with it.
It has.
Both drive shafts click when you go around the corner.
Yeah.
It's pretty horrid, to be honest. The wheel was flat this morning when I come
Yeah.
out to get in
Yeah.
it. I had to pump it up. Anyway, we got a whole heap of stuff
We
to do
have,
to that.
yeah.
Future video. My little Berlingo van will be for sale eventually, but there's quite a few little bits.
There's a couple of jobs to do on that.
It's got an oil leak,
Yeah.
and I think, Chris, it's going to want a clutch.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's got a 6-speed. It's auto, but it's got a 6-speed manual gearbox in it.
With a robot.
With the robot.
That's right, yeah.
So it's got a manual clutch.
Yep.
It drives nice, it doesn't slip, but when you pull away, it's a bit
Yeah.
like...
Yeah.
Now, I can live with it, but
Yeah.
could I
Selling
sell it to someone?
No.
Probably not. Do you want to have a rant about that?
Well, it's not a rant really, but it's a shame, that one. We've had two people kind of let us down a bit on that, haven't we? Been no shows really.
Yeah.
So it went out to the first person, and then that fell through, and you got in touch with someone else.
Yeah.
And that's fallen through.
I know people are going to comment now saying, well, I commented on there, but unfortunately, where I waited, it's
That's
like
right.
a 7-day period.
Yeah. Yeah.
I did ring a couple of people back and they're like,
Yeah.
oh, thanks, Rob, but we've got something
Yeah,
now.
yeah.
And for me to relist it, all I'll get in the listing on Instagram is, you already listed this last week, what
Yeah.
happened?
So
And
in
it's-
the new year,
Yeah,
that'll get relisted again, won't it?
yeah,
And-
definitely.
And hopefully we'll find a new owner for that.
What's that old banger?
Yeah, don't know what that's doing.
Only
now.
joking. The little Fiesta, what a beautiful car. In a minute, I'll get back on that
Yep.
as well. That's going to be finished.
Yeah.
That's going for sale today.
Yeah.
So after you watch this
because
video,
that can go for MOT now, can't it?
that car can go for MOT. It can have a valet. It can
Yeah.
go.
Yeah.
The BMW, shall I mention what the plan is for it?
Yeah, it was just a little cheapie that
It
came
was a little
along.
cheapie, but I'd like to record a video of, is there any money in the salvage Not in salvage,
No.
in the car game,
Yeah.
to make money, because that needs brakes, it needs
Yeah.
discs, it
Yeah.
needs a service, but it is a nice little 320 diesel.
We used to do a lot of bread and butter cars,
Yeah.
and not put them on the channel.
I think there's a few quid in
we
that.
haven't really done them.
No.
We haven't had time, to be fair, have we?
If anyone would like to see me film that video, or us film that video, we've got every single part, and I think it's very interesting.
Yeah.
And it would show you from start to finish how you would buy a car, do the bits to it, and make a profit at the end of it.
Yeah, that's right.
The Mini, it's going to be a little highlight of the show, that is, today.
Right.
Very, very good things. Stick with us. Very good things coming up in the video.
The chassis cab. We're
The
waiting
chassis
for a body.
cab, waiting for a body.
Fingers crossed we find one of them.
Yep.
Worth the money.
Or if one of you guys have got one, because
That's
the brand
gonna
new
make
ones,
a lovely truck.
yeah, the brand new ones are looking like they're going to be 5k.
Yeah.
And the transit van, Chris, that you're going to be using for the foreseeable future.
That's right.
Few months.
You've took it for a test
I
drive.
took it for a test drive. It drives lovely. We're
Good.
going to start this video off. I'm going to take this for an MOT.
Yeah.
So let's get that done.
Are the keys still in it?
The keys are in my pocket because I've just been up the road in it.
Sounds sweet as a nut.
It does. Sounds
far
really
out.
nice.
Pleased with this one.
Got a few marks and dinks around it, but they're all livable and sounds lovely. Let me get this up for MOT and then we'll get on that Passat. Straight for an MOT with not one advisory, and of course the car wash is as busy as we are. They're washing 2 at a time here today. They are chock-a-block, and this is not my first visit. I think I'm actually going to be here 3 times today. Bit of the Jenny Ken wheel cleaner on them wheels. Look how nice they come up. I think Chris will be quite happy when I get back. A year's MOT, and I'm having a proper deep clean done on the inside of it, because like I said previously, it was a farrier's car. He was in and out of farms, and it was a little bit smelly inside. Let's get back to the yard. I was off getting that cleaned. Chris has been in there with the diagnostic tool. Fire it up, mate, if you don't mind, if that's all right. And you can see it's missing quite badly, and you can see the engine's rocking around. You can bang that off, mate, if you want. So what have you got? You've actually found the fault.
I've gone live data and I've done a health report, and what we've got, Rob, I screenshotted this, or I took a photo of the screen on there. So we've got injector valve number 3,
Right.
capacity 0.000, and all the others we've got. So we've got 5.6 on that one. Yeah, 5.6 on that one. Basically, we've got 0 value on number 3, but all the others are working. So what I'd done while it was running, because I was doing this on live data, not on a health scan, I unplugged number 3 injector.
Make any difference?
Didn't stall, no, it kept running. Kept
really?
missing, yeah. So
Now this piece of time lapse is the first time I've ever had to slow time lapse down, because it was actually 5 seconds, Chris, right? Where it all actually went horribly wrong with just one socket, and literally the time it took there. You see, Chris was under the bonnet for literally a couple of seconds. Something went wrong. I'm now just going to show you what went wrong, but it's not looking good, the future for the Volkswagen Passat estate, I'm afraid. Let me show you what happened. Of course, while I was gone, Chris was on the Passat, and I'm going to put it out there. This car, when we got it, had a tiny bit of damage there, which it still got, and a dent in the wing, and Chris ran around in it, and we was going to actually chuck this on Instagram for exactly what it owed, and that was £1,000.
yeah,
Would have been a nice little car for someone.
yeah.
But while I was gone, you've gone to undo the injectors.
The injector bolt was snapped
In the head.
in the head. Look, 6mm bolt. You wouldn't believe that, would you?
Nah.
Holding 2 injectors down. So,
This is scrap now, I reckon,
well,
then, Chris.
it's either
'cause
scrap or it's a lot of stripping down, isn't it? It's how far in there? Obviously, that crankcase, that rocker cover there would have to come off, wouldn't it, to see if there's any exposed. But my guess is that it's going to have snapped off flush.
Yeah.
It's going to be a nightmare, isn't it?
It's just not worth doing, is it? It's
Probably not.
Someone's going to say do it, but the hours you're going to have to put in
Drill that out,
to get that
tap
done,
it.
It's just not viable for us. So this is probably going to end up down Reclamate, unfortunately,
Yeah.
which is a shame. It's going to be £1,000 loss for us, but what do you do?
Although we get a bit back in value from it,
Yeah.
we? You know, it's got a worth as a breaker,
Oh,
hasn't
Chris,
it?
they look after us so much, honestly, don't they, anyway?
Yeah.
So we don't mind giving them a car,
No.
you know?
But
Right, mate.
what a shame.
No, that's all right.
But
So-
we'll worry about that in the new year, shall
We'll
we?
worry about that in the new year. So, on to the little Fiesta outside.
Yeah.
No joke, I told you it wasn't my first time down at the car wash today. Straight down there with a little red Fiesta. We was a bit gutted that in the last video it got dark quite quick and we never got to get this done. So let's actually take a look at it. Now it is looking mint. I know quite a lot of people are desperately waiting to get their hands on this. Look how much better it even looks.
Looks lovely, doesn't it?
With just a valet, I knew it was going to come up nice.
Yep.
But I still haven't MOT'd it, and you can see it's just about to go dusk, and we're just
Running out of time.
We are running out of time. I'm desperate to go home and have a rest, and I know you are as well.
Yeah.
Got HAV with a sweep up. But there's that little car. It's come up absolutely beautiful, just as we expected, and it did inside as well. Of course, I've locked it because we're shutting for Christmas. So, Chris, that is a bit of a wrap up, but we got one more little thing, haven't we?
Yes, we have. The
The
Mini.
little mini convertible. Now, a lot of people said recently, why is that back here? So you all know, we did this for my brother's girlfriend, and we give it to him.
Yep.
And she only had it a week, and it cooked again after all that work we done on the engine. The engine actually boiled up, and it cooked it.
Yep.
So we kind of give up on it. And then I got an engine from Reclamate,
Yep.
which was another expense.
Yep.
And then me and Chris did not have time to do it, so I subbed it out to my little brother.
Yep.
He fitted a new engine. He rang me up and said, Rob, the clutch has gone. So we've had a brand new clutch. It's got a good second-hand engine in it. It starts, runs and drives just as it should now.
Yep.
It's got gallons of MOT. The roof works perfect. It's going to be completely cleaned and ready to go. And how much do we want for it, Chris?
£1.69.
£1.69. But we are going to chuck this on Compete for Cars, and it's free, guys, really. It's absolutely free to enter. When you click on there, it's going to say cost £1.69.
Which is the cost of a McDonald's coffee.
It's the cost of a McDonald's coffee for us.
Yeah.
But to give everyone fair chance, Chris, what have they got to stick in the
If
end?
they put in the discount code MINI
At checkout.
at checkout, it will knock the £1.69 off. So their entry will be free.
So completely free to
yeah.
enter this little car.
Yep.
It's had oil, it's had filter, it's had a clutch. It is good to go, and it's going to be a cracking little car for the summer. If I had to put a price on it, I'd say it was a £2.5 grand car.
Yep.
£2 to £2.5 grand car. But for one of you guys, it's going to be completely free of charge. If you want to buy an extra ticket, or you want to pay for your ticket, that's exactly what we're going to do with the money.
Yeah.
We're going to buy a coffee with it. We're going to use it as our coffee money. We're taking a massive hit and a loss on it,
Yeah,
but we
it
don't
clears
care.
It clears
gets it out the door.
Fresh start in the new year.
It does indeed.
Yeah.
So for your chance to win this, there's a link in the description down below. Compete for Cars. Click on it. No one dare say it's gambling because it's free.
That's right. And thanks to Dean.
Yeah, thanks to Dean for hosting it for us.
Again. Yeah.
So if you want, like I say, if you want that little car, that's it, mate, right?
That's it. I think so, mate. Yeah.
I don't even think we need to go into
I think because of the Christmas break, we'll run that longer than the 7 days, though.
Yeah,
'Cause
14 days.
So this video's going out Christmas Eve.
Yeah, it's Wednesday,
So it's
yeah.
Christmas Eve. So but we run it for 14 days, and then that gets it cleared into the new year.
Absolutely,
Plenty of time.
yeah.
Yeah.
Do you know what? I mean, we don't want to go on about it too much, don't want to drag it out, but just for those people that do so, they said it in the Gulf R. You got 30,000 tickets you're cleaning up. That was a timed auction.
Yeah.
It wasn't about the ticket numbers.
Competition, yeah.
The competition. It wasn't about the the numbers, and on this one it'll probably be something similar, but it will never get to that. It's
no,
just
no, that's right. And they're free anyway.
They are completely free. One entry is free.
Yeah.
You're lucky if you've got 2 accounts. That's all I'm going to say, because you'll get 2 goes at it. But
yeah.
No, but right, guys, we're going to leave it there, and on Sunday you've got to look forward to the HA Viva.
Yeah.
Merry Christmas, everyone.
Yeah, Merry Christmas,
and a
everyone.
Happy New Year.
Yeah.
We'll see you in the next one.